Did you realize that your kidneys are aging silently just like your other organs? But what if I told you a simple 3-step morning ritual could rejuvenate your kidneys and make them work like they did when you were younger? Not magic, but science. And the best part? It takes a few minutes every morning. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling rejuvenated, energized, and knowing your kidneys are nourished by a few easy-to-follow routines. Your kidneys are more vital than ever if you are over 60. Many of us brush it off, although kidney problems are one of the silent killers of aging seniors. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to heal your kidneys fast with a 3-step morning practice made especially for elders. This is expert-backed information, and you don't want to lose out on it. Keep watching till the conclusion, where I am going to provide some bonus tips that can make a tremendous impact in your kidney health. Before we begin, if you want to learn more about simple, powerful health advice that can change your life after 60, hit the subscribe button and join our group. You'll get weekly professional advice, techniques to boost your energy, and much more to live your best life after 60. So let's get right into it. Know your kidney. 60 plus. Your kidneys are your body's natural filter. As we age, our kidneys lose some of their ability to filter out waste and balance fluids. This gradual loss of kidney function might sneak up on you, but it's something we all need to be aware of. In fact, the health of your kidneys is one of the most ignored parts of aging, and many individuals don't realize the necessity of preserving renal function until it's too late. So, let's take a closer look at why kidney health becomes more crucial as we age. After age 60, the pace at which your kidneys filter blood starts to decrease. A 2023 study from Harvard Medical School found that 40% of persons over age 60 have some level of renal impairment, ranging from minor to severe. That puts over half of the aging population at danger, yet symptoms tend to develop gradually and quietly. The kidney's principal function is to eliminate waste products and excess fluid from your circulation. However, when the kidney function decreases, toxins start to accumulate in your body, and this affects not only the kidneys but other essential organs as well. This commonly causes high blood pressure, retention of fluids, and other related health problems. Ignoring this could silently affect your health, and by the time you detect signs like edema or exhaustion, kidney disease may have already advanced to a more serious level. But there's one thing you need to know: chronic kidney disease. CKD doesn't have to be a death sentence. Early diagnosis and good care can dramatically decrease the progression and, in some cases, even reverse some of the damage. That's where the power of prevention and intervention comes in. To make matters worse, many people have renal problems without realizing it, and we may not even notice the slow deterioration of kidney function, especially if we can continue to go about our normal lives. You might be feeling tired, or perhaps you've noticed a drop in your general vitality. These can be symptoms that your kidneys aren't working good enough. But these problems are common, not the regular ones. That doesn't imply they're something you have to live with. Imagine waking up one morning with almost no energy left, even after a full night's sleep. It could be down to merely getting older or stress, but the true culprit could be your kidneys. They can't do their job well without proper maintenance, and you start feeling the effects in your daily life. Now think about this. What if that exhaustion may be relieved with a few minor changes to your everyday routine? The good news is that kidney function can improve with the correct measures. Even if you have seen some indicators of decrease in your kidney health, it's not too late to make a change. If you follow the 3-step morning regimen we'll be discussing today, you can give your kidneys the love they need to function at their best. But most significantly, you can stop kidney problems from worsening, providing you the energy and stamina to enjoy your life to the utmost. Next, we'll look at the first crucial step in restoring and maintaining kidney health: the power of hydration. Stay tuned because this one easy habit could be the key to a more vibrant, more robust you. The benefits of water hydration is the foundation for kidney health, and it's one of the easiest, most effective habits you can build to optimize your kidney function, especially as you age. Your kidneys need a continuous flow of water to do their critical jobs of filtering waste, balancing fluids, and controlling blood pressure. But as we age, our thirst sensation fades, and many seniors consume less water than their bodies need. Let's take a moment and think about this. Have you ever woken up feeling sluggish with a dry mouth or a headache? It may sound like a common sign of aging or stress, but in many situations, it's your body notifying you that you're dehydrated. Dehydration is one of the most common causes of kidney strain. However, it's least talked about because it can lead to major difficulties over time like kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even kidney failure. But here's the twist. Having a glass of water first thing in the morning can be the game changer for your kidneys to start working better. The very first thing you do when you wake up is critical for your kidney health. Harvard Medical School says drinking at least 8 ounces of water immediately upon rising helps replace fluids lost during sleep, and kick begins the body's detoxifying processes. This is really important since your body is in a state of very little hydration overnight, and your kidneys haven't been filtering well. Why is this important? Water helps to thin out the blood, which makes it easier for the kidneys to filter out waste. Not drinking enough water causes the blood to thicken and the kidneys to have to work harder to flush toxins from the body. This extra pressure can cause harm to the kidneys over time. Here's another way to look at it. Your kidneys are your body's natural filters. If they don't have enough fluid to complete their job, then the filtering process slows down and doesn't work well. But when you give your kidneys a glass of water to work with immediately, you offer them the best start to the day possible. Let's run this scenario. Early morning, you get up, you're a little fatigued, but you grab a glass of water before anything else. Within minutes, you start to feel more awake, your brain clears, and energy starts to soar. This simple act helps to flush out the toxins that have built up overnight and tells your kidneys it's time to get to work. It's the finest approach to have your kidneys working at their best right from the start of the day. Here's something you probably don't know, though. The water temperature matters. Instinctively, many individuals seek for cold water, yet water at room temperature is healthiest for your kidneys. According to the Mayo Clinic, your body absorbs water better at room temperature, so you'll be sure your kidneys are getting the fluids they need without overloading your digestive system. So, the next time you wake up, don't forget to choose room temperature water. It's a blessing for your kidneys and helps them to work better. Wondering how much water you should be drinking? Try to get down at least 8 ounces first thing when you wake up, and if you still feel thirsty later in the morning, feel free to drink more. The most crucial glass of water is the first one in the morning, but staying hydrated throughout the day is just as critical. In reality, many of the renal disorders that elders suffer might be easily averted with proper hydration. If you're someone who has exhaustion or joint discomfort, or if you're battling with high blood pressure or regular headaches, the answer could be as simple as drinking more water. Here's a compelling thought. What if you could enhance your kidney health and boost your energy levels with a simple practice that takes less than a minute? That's the power of hydration. This one step alone can make a world of difference to your kidney function and is something you can start today. But keep in mind, hydration is only one piece of the puzzle. Next, we'll discuss how the foods you eat in the morning can be pivotal in maintaining kidney health and delivering the nutrients your kidneys need to thrive. Stay tuned because we will also be exploring some specific foods that can assist to improve kidney function and avoid additional harm. Best morning food for kidney health. So we have discussed the significance of being hydrated. Now let's discuss your diet. Nutrition is key to kidney health, especially after age 60. What you eat can help to nourish and strengthen your kidneys, or can place additional stress on them, making renal function more challenging. You may not know this, but many of the items we eat every day can either encourage kidney health or exacerbate renal problems, especially as we age. As you age and your kidneys get worse, they'll be less effective at filtering out waste from excessive amounts of sodium, sugar, and fatty foods. So, what can you consume to provide your kidneys the nutrition they need? The key is a balanced and renal-friendly diet, replete with the proper nutrients. We'll begin with potassium. Potassium is an important mineral that helps maintain fluid levels in your body and regulates blood pressure, both of which are important to kidney health. Foods rich in potassium, such as spinach, sweet potatoes, and bananas, can help sustain kidney function by reducing high blood pressure, which can harm kidneys over time, according to the American Heart Association. But moderation is the secret. Too much potassium can also be an issue, so it's vital to talk with your doctor to figure out the appropriate dosage for you. Picture this. You get up, have a glass of room temperature water, and then have a kidney-friendly breakfast. How about a bowl of porridge? Oats are a good source of fiber and also provide magnesium, a vitamin that is essential for maintaining proper kidney function. Magnesium may help regulate blood sugar levels, and this is important because diabetes is one of the primary causes of kidney disease. Plus, the fiber in muesli lowers cholesterol, which assists your kidneys by preventing fatty deposits in the blood arteries that supply your kidneys. But don't stop there. You could also give your muesli an extra burst of nourishment by putting in chia seeds or flax seeds. These little powerhouses contain omega-3 fatty acids and are known to help lower inflammation and enhance kidney health, particularly in seniors with renal disease. Healthy fats, such as flax seeds or walnuts, can also help reduce blood pressure and enhance kidney function when taken over a period of time. Let's take a moment to reflect. Imagine beginning your day with a bowl of muesli topped with chia seeds and fresh berries. Not only will the fiber, magnesium, and healthy fats help nourish your kidneys, but they'll offer you an energy boost that lasts long into the day. This simple, nutrient-packed meal can be the first step to keeping your kidneys healthy for years to come. And what about fruits? Berries like blueberries and strawberries are filled with antioxidants that help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which can contribute to kidney damage over time. Studies have revealed that blueberries are especially high in chemicals that are known to reduce inflammation and help kidney function, so they're a great morning snack or topping on your muesli. Now, let's speak about the importance of cutting back on sodium. As we grow older, too much sodium in the diet can lead the body to hold on to excess fluid, putting more strain on the kidneys. The Mayo Clinic says that lowering sodium can help decrease blood pressure and improve kidney function, especially in older adults. You don't have to avoid salt totally, but be aware of sodium intake. Instead, than relying on processed foods or adding salt to your cuisine, use herbs and spices. For flavor, herbs such as parsley, cilantro, or basil add a great taste to your food and help the kidneys by cutting down on the requirement for sodium. Think about it. What if next time you're hungry, you grab for a bowl of muesli with fresh berries, nuts, and seeds instead of a sugary, processed snack? It will not only give you sustained energy throughout morning, but it will also improve kidney health by giving the needed nutrients while skipping the excess sugar or salt. So what's the bottom line? Eating the appropriate foods in the morning might have a big impact on your kidney health. Choosing fiber-rich oats, antioxidant-rich berries, healthy fats, and low-sodium alternatives is giving your kidneys the best opportunity at working at their best. Imagine this. You've hydrated first thing in the morning. You've had a healthy meal filled with the correct nutrients, and now your kidneys are happy, nourished, and supported. This kind of mix of fluids and nourishment is like a supercharged for kidney health. In the following section, we will look at why mobility is important, and how a few minutes of exercise in the morning may also make a big difference to the health of the kidney. So don't go anywhere, since this following step will really change your morning routine and your kidney health. The power of motion. But nourishment and hydration alone won't cut it. This routine involves physical exercise. Morning light exercise can do wonders to your kidneys. Harvard data reveals that persons who make modest exercise part of their daily practice have superior kidney function and are less likely to acquire chronic renal disease. The important thing is to move gently. Walking is a great alternative for elderly. It gets your blood going and boosts circulation to the kidneys, and it doesn't have to be a long workout. A 10-15-minute walk in the morning can work wonders for renal health. Imagine beginning your day with a quick walk around your neighborhood. You get some fresh air, your heart rate goes up a little, and your kidneys start getting better circulation. It may not sound like much, but this simple deed is helping to keep your kidneys healthy in the long run. Mindfulness and reducing stress. Finally, let's discuss stress. Chronic stress can have effects on the kidney by raising blood pressure, which can cause damage to the kidney. In fact, it is important to manage stress after 60 years of age for the sake of renal health. The good news is there is a simple skill. You can use mindfulness meditation. According to research from Harvard University, 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation in the morning can go a long way in helping to lessen stress levels, inflammation, and enhance overall kidney health. All you need do is sit quietly for a few minutes, focus on your breathing, and let go of the tension in your body. Imagine waking up with the weight of the world on your shoulders and taking a few moments to get centered and take a deep breath. That's all there is to start lowering your stress and boosting your kidney health. So, here is the 3-step morning regimen that can fix your kidneys fast after 60. 1. Hydrate. Have a glass of water first thing after you wake up. 2. Kidney-friendly foods like muesli, blueberries, and almonds should be part of a healthy breakfast. 3. Gentle movement. Go for a short walk or do some gentle exercise. 4. Mindfulness. Practice stress management with a short meditation. These easy changes to your everyday routine are a step in the right direction towards healthier kidneys and a more energetic life as you grow older. If you found this video useful, before you depart, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more health ideas for seniors. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about this routine or what you think of it. Look for your kidneys, and I will see you in the future video. Remember, small changes now will lead to significant improvements tomorrow. A healthy kidney means a more active, independent you in the years to come. Subscribe now for more tips that can change your health. See you next time.